Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. We are back with another Talented Creators collaboration and today's theme is winter DIYs. I'll be creating 5 projects and one of them I'm going to be bringing back to life. For my first project, I'm going to be using this cylinder vase that I've had laying around for a while. I'll be adding these rhinestones in the bottom section and I will also be adding some white sand for the winter look. Previously, I added some of those beautiful rhinestones on the top section and I left them there. This snowman, I purchased it at Dollar General. I have 2 of them. You could leave it with the blue hat, but I decided to go ahead and paint it with this metallic silver paint just to make sure that it blends all in. And I have a second cylinder, slightly different, but yes, that's exactly what I did. I also added some snow and that second snowman is going to be going inside that second cylinder and I am loving this. I'm creating a winter wonderland for my Christmas theme and that is it. So here's the final review. I hope you like it.
Every piece I make with love feels like magic from above. So if you like what you see, come create along with me. Don't forget to subscribe.
This beautiful vase, I purchased it at Michael's and it came in a grab bag. It had greenery, but that was removed. I'm also going to be using these beautiful snowman. I have a previous video, if I remember, I'm going to link it down below. I created some beautiful projects with the ones that are missing. I'm going to be using the red one. And all I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to go ahead and peel this section, the back section off, and I'm going to be placing it right here in the front. This is so beautiful. Something so simple could elevate whatever piece you desire. I also created one with a mason jar and that one was also really pretty. If I remember, I will go ahead and link that one down below as well. Look at how gorgeous this is. And then I also have some greenery. I'm going to go ahead and add some greenery to it. Then I'm going to go ahead and flock all the greenery once is all put together. And these are just pieces that I had in the bottom of my stash and I just collected them and it said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and put these to use. Today I'm excited to be part of this open collaboration called Talented Creators, which takes place every 3rd Saturday of each month. Loli and I every month bring in a guest host and this month is Kate from Lady Red Crafting. Be sure to check out their channel, give them some love, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like for more creative inspiration. And coming back to this project, I'm creating a simple bow and this ribbon is a glittery ribbon. You can't really tell in the video. All I'm doing is gluing the 2 pieces together and then a second piece, just putting it in the middle with some hot glue. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and create the tails, trim them down and glue them to the beautiful piece. I'm also going to be adding 3 of these rhinestones to the bowl. I'm going to be placing it right here in the middle. Actually, I'm going to be using 4. And of course, then this project is completely done. I hope you enjoy it.
Snow is falling soft tonight. Lanterns glowing warm and bright. Little deer are standing near.
I went to the Dollar Tree and I spotted these 2 beautiful candle holders. And as soon as I saw them, I said I have the perfect candles for them. So I took them home. And these are the candles that I'm going to be using and they fit just perfect. Now these candles were white once upon a time and I painted them in black because I did a different project a long time ago. And now I am going to be using that same silver metallic paint. I'm going to go ahead and just distress the candles a bit. My dear friends, a quick reminder, don't forget I have a playlist down below in my description box. Make sure that when you finish this video, you go ahead and visit them and let them know that I sent you. I also have this tray that you have probably already seen in my channel. I'm going to go ahead and start decorating it with the 2 candles. I also have this little house with battery operated tea light, placing it in the inside, and then I'm going to add some greenery around it along with some pine cones. This is so beautiful. I cannot wait to display it in my home. And my dear friends, just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because sometimes you believe you are and you're not. And here is the final review, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy it.
We turn a little love into something true. Candlelight on tired hands. Warmth grows where we stand, side by side, no rush, no rush.
And here is another simple yet stunning project. I have this, and of course, you know, I'm repurposing it again. I am sanding it down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh it with some white chalk paint. I'll give it 1 coat. Once the 1 coat is applied and is completely dry, then I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart. I also have this 1 glittery piece of decorative paper. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right in the back and just hold it with a little bit of Scotch tape. Let's go ahead and put this back together. And of course, I'm going to be using another snowman, and I'm going to be using the one with the red hat. I am loving these transferable stickers. These are so absolutely high-end, and they look absolutely gorgeous. All I'm doing is peeling the back section, placing it in the surface wherever I want to transfer it to, and then just taking that transfer tape off and making sure that the snowman is in place. And this is it, my dear friends. This was nice and simple. I hope you enjoy it.
Every piece I make with love feels like magic from above. So if you like what you see, come create.
My dear friends, please don't run. I know this looks ugly. We found this outside, but I decided that it had potential. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to sand as much as I can, the front, the back, the sides. I mean, I'm going to sand as much as possible. Then after that, I come in with a nice wet cloth, and I am going to be taking out as much dust and this nasty stuff out, okay? It's going to look pretty. Just continue to watch. Once all of this was sanded off, I came in with a wet cloth and I cleaned the entire piece. And that's why you see that it's still wet. But no problem, because I'm going to take this antique wax and I'm also going to be watering it down a little. Once I water it down and I started painting this piece, I noticed that it wasn't covering completely. So I came in and I just pour some of the antique wax on the inside of the tray, because that's what I'm creating. But I'm still dipping my brush inside that watered down antique wax, and I am going to be giving it a coat to the entire piece, and I'm talking about the front, back, and sides. So I'm going to go ahead and distress the entire piece with this linen white, and I am going to go heavy on it. And if you see that you went too heavy on the white, then you could alternate between both of the paints until you find that desired look. I also have some jingle blocks, which I'm going to be gluing as the legs, and I'm going to be putting a set of 2 on each corner. Okay guys, so now I have these stencils and I'm gonna use the same linen white. I'm gonna be using this makeup brush because I am loving the way it transfers or fills in the stencils. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill all 3 of them. And look at how gorgeous they came out. I am loving it. I also have this stencil. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some of these snowflakes here and there. And then this will be it. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me that big thumbs up and leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd be honored to have you join this community by subscribing. To my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for your continuing support. I truly couldn't make it without you. And here is the final reveal.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.